People rushing to cut away what would be considered as booty, and then people scavenging victims' debris of victims' shops and shanties, as can be seen.